Good morning, traders. I've just taken the trade called out within my charting service. Let me check the stop. Okay, I've tightened up the stop to 44.47, pretty tight stop there. Okay, I've got a 13 tick stop on this trade and a 60 tick exit on this trade. This trade was called out in my charting service. Let's see here. 11, almost 9 hours ago, roughly. I called it out in my charting service, and the news came out just a little bit ago, not too long ago at all, few minutes. So it's very, very active right now, and it's jumping all around. And but I got a tight stop on it, 13 ticks, with a 60 tick exit. Also, within my charting service, I said to watch out for the short entry, that it probably would come, and then it's going to go down. And that's exactly what it's going to, or I should say, that's exactly what it should do. So not only am I able to call the entry, I'm also able to call the direction with a very high degree of accuracy. I'm not always right on the direction, because that's much harder to call, but I'm right often enough. I probably have a 65% success ratio on the direction, even maybe 70%. But knowing the direction is not enough, because it moves around too much. In other words, let's say it's going to go down. Well, it can go up quite a bit before it goes down. So you need to know not just the direction, you need to know the precise entry. And that's what the code allows you to know, the precise entry. Without that, you don't really have a trading system. And this is the best trading system there is in the world, obviously. Anyway, it's a 60 tick exit. I probably could push this for more, but there's another trade coming up, another code that I called, and I would prefer to hit the 60 ticks first, and then I'll take another entry again and hit. I should be able to hit another 60 ticks on top of it. So let me let's see, where's the exit at? Exit's down here at 74. So it's got a little ways to go. I'll come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. But anyway, again, you know, better than a signal itself, this trade was called out over 9 hours ago. Over 9 hours ago, this trade was called in my charting service. Precision level entry. Over 9 hours ago. All made possible by the fact that this is being controlled by a computer. It's not really trading. It's not going up and down because people are buying and selling it. It's going up and down because a computer is controlling it to do so. And I broke the code to that computer in the year 2006. And I've been teaching this to the public since 2009. I'll be back. Okay, it's within 20 ticks of the exit here. I'll come back. It should be able to hit it though. It's a pretty high degree that it will hit it. But I need it to do it here fairly quickly. If it doesn't, then I may have to wait for a while before it does it. So, but anyway, I'll come back. Okay, the third trade that I called out in my charting service has just been confirmed. Oh, wait a second. No, I'm sorry. I just made a mistake. It has not been confirmed yet. I'll come back when it has. Okay, the third trade that I called out in my charting service has been confirmed to be a short entry. So it is going to go down here now, and it will hit my exit very, very easily. I could go for an extra 10, 20, 30 ticks with no problem, but it's late to me. It's already 10:16, and I do not feel like waiting up like I did last night. And so the faster it goes down, it hits my 60 ticks, the happier I'm going to be. And it shouldn't take very much longer. Certainly not have to wait around for an hour or two like I did last night. And it won't take much longer, and I'm going to be out. I'll make a quick 60 ticks just off of one trade. Both codes gave short entries, so they didn't go in opposite directions, which they sometimes do, and so it makes it for a very easy day. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you in my charting, you are already short now, and you can go for the 60 ticks. You most likely will get it. I'm just going for 60 ticks a little bit higher because I took the first one. Anyway, it's almost there. I'll come back when it makes it, and gonna call it a night. Call it a day. But this should make it down to about 43.40 or so. Maybe lower. Okay, so I am out for the 60 ticks. Very easy day today. The code that I took and that I called in my charting service worked perfectly, and so did the second one. It has worked perfectly so far. It hasn't made it to the 60 ticks off of the second one yet, but it most likely will. I'm not going to stay up for it though. The reason why I didn't take the third one was because I was already short, and then it gave a short entry, so there's no reason for me to take it twice. All I had to do was simply hold on to it at that point. Anyway, I called those two trades out about 10 hours ago, roughly. Maybe a little bit less than 10 hours, at least 9.5 hours ago. I called that trade out, both of those trades out. And so it makes for a very easy day. And again, to reiterate to the world, this isn't really trading as the communists want you to believe. This is being controlled by a computer program. And I broke the code to the computer in the year 2006. All financial instruments in the world are being controlled by a computer program. They do not trade. Mathematical fact. The only thing that trades, to my knowledge, are individual stocks like Apple or Microsoft, etc. Individual stocks really do trade. I traded them for many years. Everything else does not trade and is being controlled by a computer program. I am here to tell the world that and wake the world up to that. I am also here to help anybody who wants the help to learn how to take advantage of the computer and make money from it. Simple as that. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow to do the charting, and back tomorrow to do some more trading. The rest of the week should be quite easy since I know the codes for this week. And it's that simple. A tremendous amount of people are signing up to my charting right now after purchasing my courses, and it is my greatest honor and pleasure to be able to serve all of you with this gift that I have been given to help you to make money. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow. I hope that you traders are doing well. I hope that you are learning and being inspired. And for all of you that purchase my codes, and for those of you who belong to my charting, I really sincerely hope you are doing well. If not, mentoring program will be up and running by this weekend, and next week will be my first class holding the mentoring program. So I'm here to help you and do the best I can. Take care out there, and happy trading.